smell, and today we're gonna be making tuna melt. I'm gonna tie my hair because I don't want to get hair on the tuna melts. First ingredient we need is a long bread, some muenster cheese. I should have done chosen, and some wild caught tuna. So let's get started. First can. I'm gonna be doing that to all 4 cans and put them in my cute little bowl. Alright guys, now that I have all the tuna in the bowl, we're gonna smash it up. Now that it's all smashed, we're gonna add in some avocado oil mayo. And now we mix in the mayo. Make sure the mayo is up to your liking. Looks a little weird because I'm using one hand. I forgot to mention that we are gonna be using an organic red onion. Don't come at me for cutting the onion the way I cut it. We have some long pieces, some short pieces. So we have our onion secured, now we mix. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. The salt I use is from real salt, and then we use simply organic black pepper. We're also gonna add organic avocados. Next step, we're gonna cut this up. We're gonna put these in the toaster and melt this muenster cheese. All right, so this does not look aesthetically pleasing, but it will once it's melted. This is the before. This is the after. Look how toasty they come out. Now we're gonna cut up an avocado. This is how they come out looking, so cute.
So I just add in the avocado on top of the cheese.
Look at how good this looks. It's very filled. This one we see the avocado popping out. This is the final look. Now to drink, I'm gonna have some cranberry juice because I love cranberry juice. My husband's probably gonna have water. So yeah, this is the cranberry juice I use. It's from Lakewood. Cheers. It's very, very, very amargo. How do you say it? Oh, bitter. It's very bitter. Now let's just give it a taste test. You can never go wrong with my famous tuna melts. I'm gonna ask my husband to come in and try his. All right, he's coming.
When I asked why I gained so much weight.
Alright you guys, this is the end of the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. Bye guys.